What do you see down there below you?
I don't know.
Are you coming off the cloud yet?
Yeah, it's dark.
And as you're standing there, there's a big, beautiful light coming from behind you. And the light is getting very bright. And it's starting to light up everything around you. Can you see the light coming in?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Ah, very nice. And as you just sit there, it's starting to get brighter and brighter. And have you landed down on the ground yet?
Yes.
Very good. Now I just want you to look down where you're standing, and what are you standing on?
I'm on a rock.
Oh, very nice. And if you look at the rock, does it have a color? What does the rock look like?
It's white rock.
Ah, beautiful.
Smooth.
You can feel it under your feet.
Mm-hmm.
And look down at your feet. What do your feet look like?
They're pretty big.
Oh, beautiful. And go ahead and look up your legs. What do your legs look like?
Mm-hmm.
What are you wearing? I'm sorry, your feet, your legs?
My legs. They kind of look like a bird.
Ah, beautiful. And I want you to feel your body.
Fluffy.
Ah, beautiful.
I think I'm a bird.
Ah, beautiful. And go ahead and hold out your wings and just look at your wings and tell me what they look like.
They're blue, shiny wings.
Ah, very beautiful. And do you feel young, or how do you feel?
Vibrant.
Very good. And what I'd like you to do is now look at the white rock that you're standing on, and then slowly raise your eyes and look out in front of you. What's out in front of you?
It's like a valley. Like I'm on a mountain looking down on a valley.
Oh, beautiful. And just go ahead and describe the valley, if you will.
It's green, deep. Just, I can see it. I'm on top. It's beautiful.
And can you see any water or any mountains out there ahead of you?
No water. It's green. Green everywhere.
And I want you to go ahead and take flight if you can. Are you flying? Very good. And are you flying now?
Mm-hmm.
And how does that feel? Very natural, huh? Wonderful, wonderful. And I want you to so how far does it look like you can see?
Everywhere. Just see everything.
Awesome. So it feels really natural flying, huh? Very good. And I want you to just keep flying and just, if you could, describe anything. Do you see any people or any animals or anything?
I see birds. I see little bunny rabbits.
And how do you feel when you see the bunny rabbit?
Very peaceful. So
Wonderful. How do you feel? Are you hungry?
No.
Wonderful. So you're just going to let the bunny rabbit go then, correct? But you can see him though, huh? How far away does he look?
Far.
But your eyesight's pretty awesome though, huh? Very good. Now I want you to soar around in a circle and sort of soar back from in the direction that you were coming from. And describe the mountain, if you will.
Green, full of life. Full of green everywhere. Just beautiful.
Wow. So you're just soaring. How wide do you think those wings are? Are you a big bird or a little bird?
I think I'm a big bird.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I want you to go to where you nest at. And you're going to be there in the count of 5. And you're going to be there in 5, 4, 3, almost there, 2, just about there, and 1. You're there. And what does your nest look like?
It's full of little pieces of branches with feathers. The feathers are blue.
Ah, so you think those are your feathers?
I think those are my feathers. They're shiny.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And where is your nest?
On the top of the trees.
Oh, wonderful. So, and as you look around, do you see any other nests that are close to yours?
No.
Beautiful. Now I want you to take off into the air again, because I mean it has to be very amazing to be able to be a bird and fly. And I know you said you saw a bunny rabbit before, but I want you to, do you see any water or anything like that at all?
No.
Very good. Now I know you know where water is, and so we're going to go to either a stream or a lake, somewhere where there's water, and we're going to be there in the count of 5, and 5, 4, halfway there, 3, almost there, 2, just about there, and 1, you're over water. What does the water look like?
It's falling.
Oh, very good. Is it a waterfall?
Yes.
And go ahead and make that circle around it and just describe the entire area.
It's loud. Water everywhere, splashing.
It's a big waterfall, huh? And can you soar high above it? Oh, very good. Now as you look down at the water, where is the water? Is it coming from a river, and where is it going?
It's just going down. It's going down.
So are you flying in front of it or over it? Ah, beautiful. And as you look along so can you follow the waterfall down to where it goes? Where it falls to? Does it look like it falls into a canopy, or where?
I can't see. It's just down. And big splash. That's it.
Oh, beautiful. And then it's going into a lake or a river? Oh, beautiful. Now let's fly back up all the way up to the very top of it. And I want you to tell me, what is the source of that waterfall?
It's coming from the flat. And then it goes down.
So repeat that again. You say it's this
flat. And then it goes down.
So does it look like it's coming from an ocean? Well, not an ocean, but a lake or a river.
It's just flat. It's flat and goes down.
So you're flying over it, and can you see the shore?
No. It's like a splash.
Oh, very good. And can you follow the water all the way down to the very bottom? Yes? Oh, very good. Now I want you to go all the way down, and where does it land?
In a pool.
Ah, beautiful. And how big is the pool?
It's huge. Lots of flowers.
Are the flowers beautiful? And describe the flowers, please.
They're purple, yellow, pink.
Very beautiful. And as you see the pool, is there a shore there where you can come out of it?
No, sure.
So the water falls, and it falls into a pool, and the pool is surrounded by flowers. And does the pool end up going into a river, or where does it go to?
It's just there. No more water.
Ah, so it just really ends right there, huh?